Willkommen bei Fluggesellschaft.de mit Ihrem Flugexperten Thomas Job.
Herzlich willkommen zu einer Sonderfolge, diesmal aus Manchester und das auch noch mit Big Jet TV. Ich habe hier die Möglichkeit, euch exklusives Material aus den letzten Wochen und Monaten vorzustellen, und hier ist etwas ganz Besonderes passiert. Hier gab es nämlich eine Blockade der Landebahn. Das sieht man gleich am Anfang, dass da ein Go-Around, also ein Durchstartmanöver dieser Ryanair 737 stattfand, weil nämlich auf der Landebahn eine andere 737 steht, nämlich die von Enter Air. Die hatte ein kleines Problem mit dem Bugrad beim Abbiegen vom Taxiway auf die Runway, ist da ja irgendwas verklemmt. Und jetzt schaut euch doch mal in den nächsten 15 Minuten an, wie der Flughafen darauf reagiert hat. Es gab noch einen weiteren Go-Around, ein Durchstartmanöver, und dann mussten natürlich Techniker kommen und das ganze Problem beheben, das Flugzeug von dieser Stelle wegschleppen. Viel Spaß damit! Das Ganze wie immer mit den Kommentaren von Jerry Dyer und Johnny Heather, und die haben im Hintergrund auch noch ATC laufen, also man hört dort den Funkverkehr zwischen den Piloten und dem Tower in Manchester.
So Enter Air can now not move his aircraft off of the runway.
So they're going to have to get a tug out here. That means they're going to have to reposition all those aircraft, but they can't reposition them unless they, because that Thomas Cook, he's got nowhere to turn, has he?
They're looking at a possible runway closure. I don't know. Hopefully, the pilot of that go-round aircraft just asking if they are going to.
489, we're just getting a talk for you to tell you what.
Yeah, there we go.
CT mentioning about the patronage, absolutely. Certainly things that we have to work out. Much better in the gold lounge, guys. Yeah, Chris McNaughton, this is your room, this is the one that you pay for, this is your exclusive room, my friend. Steve Hart liking the end delivery. Yeah, we've got a real situation here live at Manchester, guys.
If you're tuning in, guys.
Substitute it at the moment, straight ahead, and then I'll get you back to approach. Do you have any time scales for the approach? Substitute it, negative, not this time.
Wow.
I've got her aircraft holding just above, I don't know if you can spot it.
Contact approach 118 before 575. 18575, substitute it, bye-bye.
The aircraft just started to hold, I guess, cancelled its approach vectors just above the wing of that Enter Air 737.
Yeah, Richard Mortara mentioning 2 in a day, man. It's insane.
2 in a day.
It's insane.
Welcome to Manchester.
And that Thomas Cook can't do anything, that 330.
Neither can the 350.
Neither can the 350.
We've probably had about 10 grand's worth of fuel burn by those aircraft collectively so far, just sitting there.
Enter 489, I'm going to line up aircraft ahead of you to depart.
There we go.
Oh, okay, so he's going to get a bit of blast, isn't he?
Copy, D-line 17 November, via.
Nose wheel fully to the left, Johnny, apparently. Yeah. Nose wheel locked out. Kev Stevenson, I need to eat. Brilliant, man. Louis Hicks loving it. All gold members. Wayne.
Wow. Yeah, fully locked left, Jerry. But this is intense situation right now, guys. Intense.
This is the best place to be in town right now.
It is.
Do you? Oh look, he's turned that Avro round, Johnny.
Yeah.
He's off. He's had enough, isn't he? Or is he going to use a? Oh no, he's on the runway.
Yeah, he's taking off now.
Okay.
Jerry. They're putting out aircraft in front of the 73.
Ah, right.
But the problem is you can't have any aircraft landing, can you?
Wendy van der Weg in the gold room. Welcome, Wendy. Kemp Stevenson, Jerry Tanner.
Look, he's doing his runway inspection now. Yeah, they're going to be landing on 05, Jerry.
Yeah, 05 right is going to be operational in a moment, guys.
We're going to have reverse thrust action.
Yeah, an aircraft coming right up past us.
Oh, man, it's all go here.
Good action, guys.
All go here.
Yeah, interesting. Richard Mortara, I was thinking about the tug that picks the aircraft up on the nose wheel, Johnny.
Yeah.
But because it's locked at an angle, they won't be able to get
Exactly.
They won't be able to get it in there. Oh, look, that's Saudi Dreamliner, Johnny.
Yes.
He's another one joining the queue.
Yes.
It's like being down the post office.
And you've got a version 330 after it as well. It's like being down the post office.
So Dale Hawk's never seen so many events happen before. I haven't either. Honestly, this is crazy.
This is a crazy day. Yeah.
So Singapore, the mini slinger's moving.
Yeah.
While they're lining up, they've got to recalculate everything because they're just burning fuel sitting there, aren't they?
Yeah, it's a great point. Who made that point?
That was Kev Stevenson.
Wow.
Ted Avery mentioning about the tug that lifts again. I don't think they'd be able to lift it with the undercarriage with the wheel in that lock position. It has to be in the straight position for the tug to be active on it. Oh, here we go. Intercept.
172, runway 05 left, clear to take off with 36 degrees, 10 knots. 66 Papa Victor via Alpha Golf 1 land, weight 05 left. Alpha Golf 1 line up on me, runway 05 left,
Ian Shakeshaft, one go around, one cancelled takeoff. We had two go arounds actually, Ian. One cancelled takeoff and now the enter air nose wheel jam. What a load of great action, brilliant. Steve Hart, the home of pies, delivers. Oh, we got another intercepted departure.
Singapore 52 at Eastern, that's approved, and let me know when you're ready to start again.
Shut the engines down.
Singapore 52.
Singapore?
Who was shutting their engines down?
Singapore.
Was it? Wow. That's insane, man.
66 Papa Victor, runway 05 left, clear to take off with 36 degrees, 9 knots.
There's a lot of action going on here. This 737 that you're seeing, here we go. We've got a 737 with a locked nose wheel, Richard. Yeah, Wayne mentioning that there is no parallel taxiway. They'd have to track down the active and then turn around and come back. Crazy, man. Can you imagine if they all had to do that? Here comes that tug, Johnny. Here comes the tug. At the windsock.
Got it.
Megs Thompson's back.
He might be waiting for the truck.
He's being given a...
the ground crew on the way to
Not sure about that, Stefanos, what the Singapore, the little slinger's doing. Is he making revenue for the Houston to Manchester leg? Or just picking up some more passengers? Not sure.
128, just 1050, goodbye. 1050, goodbye,
This is going to be interesting watching that tug link up, Johnny. Wow, you can see quite clearly.
It's cool, isn't it?
Man?
It's cool.
Lock left.
Dirty up, please.
Here we go, guys.
Got an A330, is our first arrival on 05 right.
They have reopened the closed runway. For this.
I hope they take their time with this tug. Oh, I can't get it on, mate. I can't get it on.
Yeah.
Go on. Because they're going to have to literally lock that because they can't lift it up, so they can't tow it. Because it'll
Okay, we are able to box version 109.
Impossible to tow it with the wheel on the ground. So they'll have to literally lock it onto the undercarriage and yank it to the right and snap it.
Yeah.
Snap the lock.
Because
that's potentially a lot of damage they're just about to do.
John JTP Parker watching in Honchurch, triple screens, YouTube, Facebook, and Friday 24 Perfect. Great show. Yeah, that's Andy Gibson saying London Airways shuttle has diverted to Birmingham.
Minimum power only.
Richard Mataro saying the Singapore Airlines has traffic rights to Houston.
Put 330's moving, guys. He's looks like he's going into set.
He's going to go out, yeah.
he's going to go with Alpha Foxtrot.
Awesome.
Thanks, man.
Virgin's putting forward. Gorgeous. Right, you've got a Virgin 330 landing 05 right in about the next 1 minute. Guys.
Flippin' X got more action than Heathrow, isn't it?
I know, it's crazy, crazy, crazy.
Guys, we've got 05 right open now.
Insane.
Because of that damaged nose wheel on that 737. Here we go.
Oxley, are you happy for the 787 Saudi to depart from the threshold marking?
Negative.
Oxley, Roger, thank you.
Touchdown.
Whoa, sorry guys.
We get a nice turn-off action in just a second, guys.
Oh, they're going to try and yank it round, man.
This should be an interesting next 5 minutes.
If we could get off, that would be appreciated.
Wow, minimum fuel.
Wow.
15995 and 105 left, clear to take off with 010 degrees, 13 knots.
Richard Motara saying the wheel has straightened out now.
Yeah. Much appreciated.
So that's like it to me, mate. Looks still locked to the left.
Yeah, got some hydraulic fluid underneath the undercarriage there, guys. Enter 737's getting towed. Gonna have to shut down the...
Vacate to Alpha Foxtrot. Vacate to Alpha Foxtrot, the enter
Let's go for another hour. Interesting, very interesting.
Oh, so they did fix it. They've got it.
Yeah.
They got it straight.
They did. Good lads. Definitely got another couple of arrivals.
Passengers gonna have to be.
I know, man. I know.
Riley.
It's terrible.
They're gonna have a busy terminal.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Gonna run out of coffee. There's a 787 and 350 nose to nose. And it's just. I say that though. I mean, it's going to be a long process.
Easy, son.
Easy 95 November Charlie, hold at Delta 2, contact ground 121.
Yeah, Richard Motara just confirming they will need to move that, wash that fluid off the runway.
They will, man. They will.
Yeah.
Because that gets on the front tyres. I mean, it's just for the
Can't
sake
afford
of
anything in the aviation industry.
I mean, when he powers off, yeah. If those front wheels have got fluid underneath them, he could slew it. Slew it, you know.
Yeah, Ryan Kintash just confirming Jet2 have now tweeted the announcement that was an engine fire.
What?
Engine fire, yeah. I mean, I don't think
Jet2's 75.
I don't think the engine was actually on fire, but it was an engine fire indication.
Internal combustion issues.
Something
probably.
like that, yes.
Wenn euch das Ganze gefallen hat, dann würde ich mich über euren Daumen nach oben, euer Like freuen, euer Sharing. Teilt das gerne mit euren Luftfahrtfreunden und schaut euch doch mal die Webseite von bigjet.tv an oder geht auf die Facebook-Seite facebook.com/bigjettv in einem durchgeschrieben. Danke und viel Spaß!